Yo, what's up? Welcome back to the channel for another video where cameras get tested, coffee gets sipped, and, well, occasionally microphones get judged like it's the Audio Olympics. Alright, so here's the deal. Lately I've been heading out, shooting just for me. No B-roll, no thumbnails, no algorithm to feed. Just me, the shutter, and my happy place. Selfish? Maybe. Then, in the middle of one of these zen-like photo walks, my phone dings. It's my friend over at FiFine. You know, the folks who've sent me gear that I've been using for my podcasts. Solid stuff, reliable, and, well, it doesn't explode when you sneeze into it. They go, yo, you want to try something new? Something better? And I'm like, better you say? Better than the K688? Whoa there, cowboy, let's not get ahead of ourselves. But you know me, curiosity. I was engaged, so I said, yeah, send it over. Let's see what this better mic is all about. Enter this guy, the FiFine Tank 3. And let me tell you, it ain't called Tank just for laughs. It's built like a barbell, it's beefy. If mics were wrestlers, this one's in the heavyweight class. So I hook it up, XLR and USB, because FiFine's like, why not both? I prep to record my podcast, link below, by the way, and immediately I noticed something wild. There's no pop when I hit my P's, no plosives, nada. That's because it has a built-in pop filter. Okay, already winning. Then I see the extras, real-time headphone monitoring, dual gain controls, one-touch mute, in case, you know, your cat decides to scream into the void mid-podcast. But I was still skeptical. Because, I mean, the K688, that mic has been my ride or die since I got it. Crisp highs, smooth lows, it sounded like butter being spread over fresh toast with jazz record playing in the background. So I asked myself, is this really better? So I got contacted, again, this is the third time, by Amplitude/FiFine, and they sent me this new mic. And this new mic, it's called the Tank 3. This thing is built like a fucking tank. It's heavy. It's got a built-in pop filter. It takes XLR, USB-C, and from what I hear so far, I think it sounds fucking phenomenal. What do you guys think? Does it sound good?
Oh yeah, it sounds great.
Okay.
It not only sounds great, but the fact that it has a built-in pop filter, I have a HyperX Quadcast, and this doesn't even have a built-in pop filter.
Okay, FiFine, I see you. The Tank 3 sounds amazing. I didn't have to touch the EQ. I didn't have to fix anything in post. I just hit record and boom. Studio quality straight out of the gate. In fact, it sounded so good, my daughter walked in, heard the clarity, and was like, so, can I have your old mic? So I offered her the HyperX. She looked at me like I offered her dial-up internet. No, you know which one I want. And just like that, the K688, gone. Snatched away from me. The child thief strikes again. But hey, silver lining? Now I have the Tank 3. And unless FiFine decides to drop something even crazier, this mic's not going anywhere. Solid build, no BS setup, and sound that punches way above its price tag. So yeah, if you're in the market for a mic that can handle your voiceovers, you know, your podcasts, or your angry gaming rants, the FiFine Tank 3 might just be your next weapon of choice. So let's keep this going down in the comments. Let me know, what mic are you currently rocking? And have you ever used a FiFine? You should. Remember to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and click the bell to be notified of all future videos. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com, to pick up my Lightroom presets pack that features 13 presets that I designed and personally use for all my photo projects. And coming really soon, I'll have my newest set of prints available, so keep checking for those ones. And until next time, get out and shoot. And when you do, hide your gear from your kids, because, you know, they'll snatch it up. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy.